Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can sign in to Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com. And as you can see up at the top left-hand corner, you have the button here that says sign in. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can log in with Apple, Discord, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft. Or you can also enter in your phone number if you have logged in that way. But we're going to go ahead and log in with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we are now all logged in and ready to go with Suno. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in a new bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And once you get started, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.